कितने हो गए? थर्ड, काइनेमेटिक पेयर. Write down here. The combination of two kinematic links connected by a kinematic joint is called kinematic pair. Okay, so when two kinematic link will be there, they will be connected by a kinematic joint, then together both these will be called a kinematic pair. Clear or not? Now these pair can be also of different types. Okay, so write down here types. So in the types, again two side, left and right. So first go left side. If we will not be happy, then we will go right side. So first है on the basis of nature of contact. On basis of nature of contact. So here first is called your lower pair. Lower pair is what? When there is low quality of motion. Lower pair means low quality of motion. Low quality of motion. And when will be low quality of motion? When there will be more friction, है ना? And when there will be more friction, when there will be surface contact. Got the point or not? So actually lower pair will have surface contact. लिख दो ऐसे, more friction means surface contact. When surface contact will be there, then there will be more friction. So low quality of relative motion will be there. Second, higher pair. Higher pair means high quality of motion. High quality of motion. बोले तो less friction. बोले तो point और line contact. Point और line contact. Simple. Okay. Point और line contact. Now right side जाएंगे. Other types में लिखो nature of relative motion. Nature of relative motion. Here many type of relative motion can be there, yes or no? Like if there is sliding relative motion between them, then it will be called sliding pair. Okay, if there is turning between them, then it will be called turning pair. If rolling is there, then it will be called rolling pair. Yes or no? टर्निंग को ही बोलते हैं revolutory pair. Turning, revolutory, all these are same. And let's say rolling between them is to rolling pair. And if there is, let's say, one body is a sphere, one body is a sphere, then spherical pair, you will say spherical pair. If one body is a sphere, then it will be called a spherical pair. But few people here also get confused. They give a spherical pair a particular, case, sphere inside a hollow sphere. Sphere inside a hollow sphere. Okay. So sphere inside a hollow sphere, if you will consider, then they call it, this is particular case and only this pair is a spherical pair. Like your mirror of bike है ना, उसका जो handle में at the end point there will be ball like structure and it is inside a cavity. Both bodies are spherical. Both body are spherical. So it can have 3 directional rotation. Rotation about this, rotation about this, and rotation about this axis. 3 rotation are there. No translation is possible. This is called a spherical pair. Got the point or not? So this is what till now they define. Next type of motion can be like helical motion. Helical motion, है ना? Or helical pair, you can say helical pair, or you can say screw pair, because screw will have helical motion. Yes or no? स्क्रू को जब हम कसते हैं, when we tighten the screw, screw will be rotating plus translating. So this is helical motion. Yes or no? This is helical motion. So screw pair can be also called helical pair when there is helical motion between. So how many type can be there? Many type can be there. Now some pair can be like it is a lower pair and it can be, let's say, screw pair also, because in screw threads will have surface contact. लीड स्क्रू जैसे अपन उसमें पढ़ते हैं, when we will see the screw jack design, है ना, when we will see the screw jack design, these screw are having threads like this. These screw are having threads like this. So when these thread in this, ये screw है, screw jack like this, तो इसमें here this is surface contact with the thread. Yes or no? Surface contact. So though it is a screw pair, it is also lower pair. So we cannot say like this कि lower pair है तो हमेशा आपका sliding ही होगा, ऐसा कोई जरूरी है क्या? Is it necessary? No. It can be higher pair and it can be sliding. It can be higher and it can be sliding. Let's say this is the surface and simply a sphere is sliding on it. Let's say simply a sphere is sliding on it. So it can be sliding pair. So there is no hard and fast thing. There is no hard and fast thing. Okay. Some people start calling it joint also, sliding joint. Okay, rolling joint. But actually there are only 2 type of thing. One is what is the basis of nature of contact, and second, what is the nature of relative motion. That's it. Rest things can be mixed. So don't be very much conscious about this. Definition I have clearly told you. तो यहां तक अगर क्लियर हो गया हो तो जय हिंद लिखो फटाफट. बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट करेक्ट. शोल्डर जॉइंट इज ऑल्सो. Okay. So many can be there and mix can be there also. Now write down next. Now write down next. क्या टाइम हो गया? 5:12. Kinematic pairs. So here, like few people say that जो spherical pair है, that is having a lower pair. Few say it is having higher pair. But look, if a spherical pair is there, I'm giving you the example. Let's say this is the sphere. Okay, and for this sphere, let's say above this it is a hollow sphere. Hollow sphere, and below there is ground or surface like this. Okay, and जैसे अपना कोई कूलर का स्टैंड है ना, कूलर और टेबल स्टैंड, इट विल सिंपली हैव ए spherical ball inside a spherical cavity, hollow like this, and it can move like this. Yes or no? So simply that picture is this. Here they generally call that spherical pair will be higher pair or lower pair, और इस पे फाइट करते रहते हैं, नहीं हाँ हमारे सर ने हायर पेयर बताया, कोई कहता है कि हमारे सर ने लोअर पेयर बताया. गेटिंग पॉइंट और नॉट? तो ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पेयर जो होता है, पेयर इज ऑलवेज बिटवीन टू बॉडीज, टू लिंक. यू कैन क्लियरली सी दिस इज द वन बॉडी और वन लिंक. ओके, दिस इज द वन बॉडी और वन लिंक. So how many bodies are there, how many link are there? 1, 2 and actually 3 are there. Got the point or not? So between 1 and 2, what type of contact will be there? What type of contact will be there? There will be like this surface contact between them, like this. Okay, so this side they will form what? Lower pair. Surface contact अगर इधर हो रहा है, surface contact अगर इधर हो रहा है, so this will be your lower pair, this side. But between the second link and third link, here it will be only a point contact. Yes or no? So here it is only a point contact. This side it will be higher pair. Higher pair. Okay, so spherical pair means this is the sphere. So sphere you are taking with respect to what? With respect to what? If you are taking the sphere with respect to ground, it is higher pair. Sphere with respect to another hollow sphere which is in surface contact with it, then it will be lower pair. Getting point or not? But books में ज़्यादातर, in maximum books, it is defined as higher pair. It is defined as higher pair. Okay, but theory and concept I have told you. Clear everyone? Okay, हाँ. सो आपको ये देखना है किस लिंक का किसके साथ आप पेयर देख रहे हैं. पेयर कैन बी डिफाइंड ओनली फॉर टू लिंक, जॉइंट कैन बी डिफाइंड ओनली फॉर टू लिंक. ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Here on the basis of one more thing is there, so call it 1, call it 2, one more thing is there, write down 3. On the basis of nature of mechanical constant, on the basis of nature of mechanical constant. So here first closed pair, closed pair, write down the definition. When all elements held together mechanically, वैसे तो दो ही हैं तो ऑल लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. व्हेन एलिमेंट्स आर हेल्ड टुगेदर mechanically, okay, called closed pair. Called closed pair. Second, open pair. ओपन पेयर, इसमें लिखो व्हेन एलिमेंट्स हेल्ड टुगेदर बाय सम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स. When elements are held together by some external force, external force, okay, called open pair. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे क्लोज पेयर बनाना है. सो क्लोज पेयर का एग्जाम्पल है सिंपली यू टेक वन लिंक like this, you take one link like this is the pin, extruded pin, ये इसी का पार्ट है, this is the part of link, and here you take second link like this, and what will happen when you will put this link over the first link like this, okay, when you will put it here like this, after that what you will do, actually this pin will be hammered, इसका हैमरिंग कर दिया जाएगा, इसका हैमरिंग कर दिया जाएगा. सो आफ्टर इंसर्टिंग दैट लिंक इट विल बिकम लाइक दिस. गेटिंग पॉइंट और नॉट? जैसे रिवेटिंग करते हैं ना, जस्ट लाइक दैट. सो एक्चुअली this will stuck inside this. Now it can only rotate with respect to first, but it cannot detached. It cannot detached. Yes or no? It can rotate, it can turn, it can revolve, but it cannot be detached. बात आई ना समझ में? So mechanically, this is the panda. Mechanically they are held together. मतलब ऐसा एक मैकेनिकल अरेंजमेंट बनाया, उसको उस पर रखा, देन यू हैमर्ड इट, हैमरिंग कर दिया, सो वन एंड विल बी लाइक इट विल नॉट लेट इट गो आउट, बाहर नहीं जा सकता वो. तो अब ये साथ हो गया, इट कैन नॉट बी डिटैच्ड. सो दिस इज क्लोज्ड पेयर. बात समझ आई? क्लोज्ड पेयर. सो इट इज ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ फुल्ली कंस्ट्रेंट. फुल्ली कॉन्स्टेंट मतलब विद रेस्पेक्ट टू लिंक 1, लिंक 2 कैन हैव ओनली वन मोशन, degree of freedom 1, so it will be fully constant. I will explain you what is fully and all that. For now, just write down here. So when you will revise, it will be simple for you. Okay. Now come to the open pair. In open pair, there is no mechanical restriction like this. There is no mechanical restriction like this between the element. They can be detached away, but during the motion they are in contact due to some external force. Let's say this is the cam. Let's say this is the cam. Okay. This is the cam and this is the follower. This is the follower. So at any instant of motion they are in contact. At any instant of motion they are in contact, but they can be detached also. They can be detached also. I can simply move this follower upward. Yes or no? ऐसे मूव कर सकता हूं विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द कैम. दे आर नॉट connected mechanically. Okay, they are connected by what? Either when gravity is acting downward, so they always remain in contact during motion due to the weight of the follower. if follower में weight नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? एक बार इसने मान लो कैम, let's say cam is rotated like this. Cam rotated like this. Follower will go up. After that, let's say there is huge friction between the guide and the follower. It cannot come back. Okay, if it is having very less weight, it cannot come back. So the contact between them will vanished out. Contact उनके बीच में बचेगा ही नहीं. तो यहाँ contact किसकी वजह से बना हुआ है? वेट की वजह से बना हुआ है. और फ्रिक्शन नहीं भी होगा तब भी अगर हम इसे ग्रेविटी में ना माने, इफ वी आर नॉट अज्यूमिंग इट इन वर्टिकल प्लेन, वी अज्यूम इट दिस सिस्टम इज प्लेस्ड हॉरिजॉन्टली ऑन द टेबल. टेबल इज लाइक दिस. So on the table horizontally, if I am rotating the cam like this, it will go out, but it cannot come back if weight is not there. It cannot come back. Yes or no? तो इसको वापस लाने के लिए कुछ फोर्स चाहिए रहता है. So for horizontal case, what you can apply? You can apply a spring here. You can apply a spring here. So when it will go up due to cam, it will come back due to spring force. Yes or no? So some external force will be needed to make the contact between them. उनके बीच में कांटेक्ट बनाए रखने के लिए एक एक्सटर्नल जुगाड़ का जरूरत है, एक्सटर्नल फोर्स का जरूरत है. ओनली देन दे विल बी इन कांटेक्ट. गेटिंग पॉइंट और नॉट? They are not mechanically connected like this permanently. Okay, so this is the case of open pair. This is the case of open pair. Okay, so the pair of cam and follower is treated as open pair. Here contact happens due to some external force. Okay, so on the earth this will be the case. On the earth this will be the case. अगर आप स्पेस में चले जाएंगे, अगर आप स्पेस में चले जाएंगे तो वहाँ तो ग्रेविटी तो नहीं होगा ना भाई. वहाँ ग्रेविटी कुछ नहीं होगा. सो इन दी स्पेस वेट तो लगेगा नहीं. तो अगर स्पेस में आपको इस मैकेनिज्म को चलाना है देन आपको उसमें क्या एक स्प्रिंग और लगाना पड़ेगा. एक स्प्रिंग का जुगाड़ और लगाना पड़ेगा. यस और नो? तो बहुत सोच विचार करके लगाएंगे, स्प्रिंग लगा देंगे. ठीक है. सो हियर दिस स्प्रिंग फोर्स will always try to make them in contact. So this spring force will be here external जुगाड़. एक्सटर्नल जुगाड़. तो ये अपनी वजह से डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम 1 इसका नहीं है. इसका डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम खुद से नहीं है. इसका डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम क्या है? आपने जुगाड़ लगा के 1 किया है. तो जब जुगाड़ लगा के 1 किया जाता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सक्सेसफुली कॉन्स्ट्रेंट. क्या बोलते हैं, सक्सेसफुली कांस्टेंट। तो अभी इसके साइड में लिख दो, फिर अपन करेंगे। सक्सेसफुली इसमें d इक्वल टू 1, डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम 1 अचीव कर लिया गया, देन इट विल बी कॉल्ड सक्सेसफुली कांस्टेंट। और वो पहले से ही फुल्ली कांस्टेंट का केस है। तो इतनी बात क्लियर हो गई हो तो जय हिंद लिखो फटाफट कमेंट में। रिविट जॉइंट, हाँ रिविट जॉइंट, रिविट में तो परमानेंट जॉइंट कर देते हैं एक्चुअली। रिविटिंग इज सिंगल रिविट लगाओगे, देन फॉर ए सिंगल रिविट इट कैन मूव रिलेटिव। वहाँ तो कई रिविट लगा देते हैं ना, वो तो फिक्स जॉइंट होता है। रिविट जॉइंट इज फिक्स जॉइंट, एक प्लेट रखा दूसरा प्लेट रखा, धड़ाधड़ 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 रिविट्स मार दिए। रिलेटिव मोशन का कोई चांस ही नहीं है, ये तो फिक्स जॉइंट है। So riveting is not the example. This is like a rivet. If single rivet is here, if single rivet, then it can rotate. और वो लूज भी होना चाहिए। रिविट दरअसल कैसा होता है, टाइट। पहले हॉट कंडीशन में रिविटिंग किया जाता है, फिर उसे कोल्ड करते हैं तो वो जकड़ जाता है, वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है। वो रिविटिंग पर्पज इज नो रिलेटिव मोशन शुड बी देयर। सो इट इज लाइक हिंज, दिस इज हिंज नॉट रिविटिंग। क्लियर, गुड गुड गुड। खूब भालो खूब भालो। ये क्या हुआ, ये क्या हुआ, हाँ। so this is type of what to say, constraint, nature of mechanical constraint. On the basis of that we can define different type of pairs। ठीक है, चलिए